Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a low-cost luxury video to show you some of the great finds I got at either TJ Maxx or Marshall's. So I am very excited about what I found today because these products came out back in August. They were released by Too Faced and it is part of their Throwback line. I picked up a bunch of the Too Faced Metallic Sparkle lipsticks, which was in their little retro throwback line, and it also had an eyeshadow palette that kind of featured some of their original eyeshadows and then some newly formulated shadows. But I was excited to find these because I remember when they were released and they were really pretty, very metallic and shiny, and I wanted to purchase them, but I think I had prioritized some other things over these lipsticks. And then now to see them in TJ Maxx and Marshall's, I grabbed the ones I could find so that I could show swatches, let you know how they feel, and whether or not it is something worthwhile to purchase. I personally was very excited for them, but I have not tried the formula. I don't know how glittery they are, if they're patchy, if the consistency is comfortable. So we're gonna get into all of that right now, find out how they wear, and so let's just get started. So all the shades that I have are Miss Thing, Hoochie, That Girl, Marcia Marcia Marcia, Too Hot, and then Hot Flash. So 6 shades I was able to find, and all of these shades look like ones that I'm going to wear. As far as either being kind of a champagne-y color or pink, red, I know I'd seen online that there was like a blue and then like a deep dark purple and stuff, but I didn't think I would realistically wear those. Also, I did not find them. So I was happy to find these shades. I do think I would wear them. I just need to know what their consistency is. So let's just jump right into it. I'll go lightest to darkest all through the shades. So the first one I'm gonna try is Miss Thing, and the exterior packaging is really pretty. It's got that nice glitter out here. It shows you the color on the top, and then the actual tube is just pure glitter. All over the entire tube is glitter. So when I open this, it's a really pretty, just champagne-y glitter gold. So, oh, and another cute little thing. On the actual tube, when you take off the lid, there is the old Too Faced logo, and then when you turn it, it is the current Too Faced logo. A cute little addition that they put on the tube for personalization. I like it a lot. Just something not necessary, but I think is a worthwhile addition. So here is Miss Thing. I don't have any liners or any of that on since I'm going to be putting on and taking off so often. So here it is applied. Actually very comfortable to wear. I feel maybe the slightest bit of texture from the glitter, but it's nothing where I'm feeling chunks on my lips. Very comfortable. A thin formula, so it looks like this could probably be worn over another matte lipstick or even a liquid lipstick to add a little bit of sparkle. So as I'm looking at this color, it does have that champagne kind of base color, and then when I look closely at the glitter, there's a little bit of pink that kind of picks up. I don't know if it is showing on the camera, but I see it here at home in my mirror. Just a really pretty champagne-y color that can be worn alone or possibly as like a topper. I think it's great. I don't feel much grittiness at all, maybe barely the slightest bit of texture, but it feels moisturizing and not like it's going to dry my lips down like most other glitter formulas do. So I like this one a lot. Let's move on to the next shade. The next shade I have is Hoochie. This, the name makes me laugh. So it looks like it's in like a brown package with gold glitter and then the same nice Too Faced logos on each side. When I pull up the bullet, it has like a brownish base, almost that greige, almost gray brown coloring, and then there is gold glitter in it. So I'm thinking this is going to give me a bit of a grungy vibe and throwback maybe to the 90s. Let's see how it looks applied. Okay, so this one was fun. I see the base with like the brownish gray coloring, but the glitter shift is purple. So when you turn your head, you get this nice sparkle of purple that catches the light. I really like it. I think it's flattering on the lips if you like that sort of grungy gray type of vibe with the purple in there. I think it's super unique, and so if that's something that you feel that you would really like to rock, or you've always been looking for like a perfect greasy purple, this is definitely it. Hoochie, a lot of fun, and I think it is beautiful. On to the next. So the next color I have is That Girl, and I think I forgot to mention how much each of these were. They were each $5.99, and they are actually still available on Sephora and Ulta for $22. So quite a discount to get them for only $6 as compared to $22. Anyway, but going on to That Girl, it has a similar brown package as Hoochie, but more of a copper glitter on the tube. When I open it up, it looks like it has more of a kind of burgundy shade. And just looking at how it's picking up the light, I think there's going to be a really interesting glitter shift in here. So, That Girl. This does have a little more of a wine or plum color as the base, but so my camera stopped recording. This color was very beautiful. That Girl is probably the most everyday wearable. There was a slight purple and gold shift to the glitter as I turned my head, so quite a stunning color. On to the next. So the next color I've got is Too Hot, and this is the red shade. Beautiful red packaging. When I open up the top, you can see that really pretty red glitter. So here is Too Hot. I'm really impressed by how these colors apply. They're very comfortable on the lips. I don't feel anything too thick or gritty when they apply, but the amount of actual pigment that lays down is gorgeous, and a little bit goes a long way. So I just do one coat and it actually covers my lips. I add a second to ensure that everything is very vibrant. Looking here with this Too Hot, it is a beautiful red kind of burgundy base, and then the glitter shift is almost magenta. So if it picks up as I'm moving my mouth, you can see there's a little bit of like a hot pink that is showing in the light. So gorgeous. I really like this one. Not quite a bright red, a little more pulling cool and into the wines, but I think it's gorgeous. I would consider it an everyday sort of vampy type of red. So Too Hot. The next color I have is Marcia Marcia Marcia, and it is a bright pink. Another gorgeous tube, and the color is just a super fun bubblegum pink. I am excited to see how this one shifts on the lips. And Marcia Marcia Marcia, the old Brady Bunch term. Okay, so each time I'm applying these different colors, I'm thinking I know what it's going to look like, but each one has surprised me. So this one, I'm thinking, oh, it's bubblegum pink. It actually looks like it has kind of a blue sort of lilac shift in it. The glitter's picking up with the like an incandescent or iridescent blue color. I hope it's showing up. It's really pretty in person. Not at all what I was expecting, especially like I did look for some swatches online, but this is not the same color that I saw online. It does have a much more iridescent kind of shift to it. It almost reminds me if I took my my favorite brushes with these glitter brushes from Real Techniques and kind of created one lip color with it, the combination would turn into this, Marcia Marcia Marcia. Just super fun, super beautiful. That hot pink with the blue glitter shift. I was just really surprised to see this coloring on my lips instead of just a plain bubblegum pink. So here is Marcia Marcia Marcia. And on to the final color. Okay, now the final color I have is Hot Flash. And it looks like kind of a purple color from the packaging. When I open it up, it is like a deep plum wine color with the same sort of plummy glitter. So here's Hot Flash. It looks like a nice wine burgundy color. Let's see how this one surprises me. This glitter in this one's a little more subtle, which I can appreciate with a deep dark wine color like this. It doesn't need a whole lot to get attention, but there is a pretty kind of purpley shift in the glitter. Very nice, very vampy wine color. And again, I don't feel any of that glitter on the lips. All of these have been spectacular by not giving me that grittiness, and they're not too thick where I feel them on my lips when I'm talking, when I'm kind of just pressing my lips together. I don't like that sort of formula that's going to be really sticky or tacky, or I feel that it's dried down too quickly. I just won't wear it. But these feel super comfortable to where I feel I would wear them pretty regularly because of how comfortable they are to wear. Even considering how glittery they are, I don't have to worry that I feel the glitter, that I feel the grit. It is very smooth and something that I appreciate and really like. I wanted to do just a quick few arm swatches so that hopefully that will pick up some of the shift that is in these lipsticks. In order, I'll just put them on my arm with Miss Thing. Hoochie. That Girl. Too Hot. Marcia Marcia Marcia. And then finally Hot Flash. So here are the colors. And as I turn my arm, you can see how they shift in the light. So I think overall these are really amazing. Each one is very unique with their glitter shift and how the glitter that is in the base formula actually catches the light. They're really pretty, very comfortable to wear. So I would suggest if you do find them out at TJ Maxx or Marshall's that you pick it up. Let me know in the comments below which shades you were able to find and what you think of the formula. I have been pleasantly surprised with how comfortable they are to wear. So once again, thank you for watching, and until next time, happy hunting.